So, good morning. I think it's day 84. Dave woke up with the fever, but we decided last night that we were just going to wake up super early and hike anyway, because it seems like his fever gets worse at around 6 p.m. until night. So we thought, stuff it, let's just try and do as many miles as we can in the morning. And once we get walking, hopefully he feels a little bit better. So far we're doing okay. Hopefully things look up from today.
I love the way you dance. I love the way you sing. I love the way you drool in your sleep. When upon my chest your tired head you do rest.
Hey guys, so it is day 85 on the PCT. Haven't really been doing too much video lately, and that is because Dave has been sick, as you all would have heard by now. I think Dave's feeling a little bit better today. At least he didn't wake up with a fever. I don't think he's had a fever at all today. But his tummy's still really upset. We actually just met another guy just a couple minutes ago who has come down with the same thing, so I guess maybe they touched or drank or I don't know, something. They touched the same thing and picked up this virus or whatever, which sucks. Checked in on him. He's doing okay-ish. He's got a group, but they're ahead of him. I think that kind of sucks, being left behind like that. But hopefully he'll be okay.
Your mistakes, let them all go. Your broken dreams, your high hopes, love so delicate.
Hey Davey, we just passed the 1500 mark. Woo!
Sometimes it takes a big rain to feel the sun again. Sometimes it takes a big rain. Sometimes it takes a big rain. Fill your ears with a country silence.
I got to pick up my new shoes. I made a bold decision. Instead of continuing with the Cascadias, I switched to the Calderas. I'm not sure if that was like the best decision or not. We'll see. They're a little bit skinnier than the Cascadias, so hopefully there won't be any problems with that. Hey guys, it is day 88 and we are back on trail. It is 9:20 and we're on the gentlest of inclines and I'm already struggling. My bag is way too big and way too full of food. But you know what? At least I won't go hungry this time. At least I won't be hangry. I'll just have a broken back. I upgraded my shirt.
You got my new sternum strap.
America, woohoo. Dave has fashioned himself a new sternum strap. Here we go, bungee on an actual clip. Ta-da! Hopefully it doesn't pinch a tit.
It might.
It rained last night again, but today we have blue skies. So hopefully it'll stay really nice for us. Dave, are you feeling good? I wish towns were on top of hills, because it sucks carrying 6 days worth of food 6,500 feet up a hill. I'm hoping, because it rained so much in the last 2 days, at least around here, that the water sources in about 60 miles, if they were rained on at all, actually have water in them, because I did some looking on gut hooks for the comments on all of the water in the next few days, and while they may be many, a lot of them say that they're either just mud or a stagnant pool that's about to dry up, or a tiny trickle that's really hard to like harvest and get your bottle under. A nice little place. I really have to recommend the Wheelhouse to eat at. Oh my goodness. That place just knows how to make food and coffee. They also have like a ton of board games. Our friend Gabby would have lost her shit. It was an awesome place. Shady spot under these gorgeous low branches of, is it pine or fir? I still have trouble like distinguishing the difference, but yeah,
This is an A+ spot.
A+. Let's eat, babe.
Just wanted you, just wanted you. And I don't ever wanna come down. Ever since I saw you around, I just wanted you, just wanted you. I just wanted you, just wanted you.
Yeah, so it's day 89, and Dave and I have been having a really good day. It's been super easy elevation wise during the walk, and we can definitely say that Dave is now feeling better after one night on trail. Hasn't been any issues. It's been really good. My tummy's been a little bit upset, but you know, that's alright, whatever. It's nothing like what Dave had. So Dave and I were just discussing how kind of annoying and discouraging it is for the fact that we've just traveled 30 miles, like pretty much directly south towards Mexico. And now we're on kind of like the apex, and we're going to start traveling west and north, only to travel back east again. And we're just doing this like giant C-shape horseshoe thing, when really we could have just went straight up. and saved us like hundreds of miles.
Damn you, NorCal!
Damn you, NorCal!
Damn you, NorCal. We're coming up with more and more different ways to stop ourselves from getting bored. We're pretty much done with you, NorCal. Ready to get into Oregon, and hopefully that will be make things a little bit more exciting, but still have this last week to go in NorCal, and then crossing the border will hopefully give us a big fresh burst of enthusiasm. What do you reckon?
I reckon so. Let's do Oregon in 2 weeks.
Yeah, or at least as close to 2 weeks as we can.
So after getting caught with my pants down while peeing by a southbounder, I decided to call it quits a little bit early. Found a campsite at around 7:30.
Earlier than that, maybe even.
Maybe a little bit earlier than 7:30. Yeah, I'm feeling a little bit tired. We did a lot of climbing. And yeah, we got a nice, cute little spot. It's right on trail, but it's pretty. Got this lovely hairy tree in the background. Here's Davy.
Lovely hairy human.
Yeah, we got the sun setting in the back. It's catching all the moss and the lichen and everything. It's super nice. So we've got a 12.5 mile dry stretch now, which is absolutely wonderful because it's 11 o'clock. Means we'll be hiking dry for, the hottest part of the day, which is always a pleasure. So I've packed heaps of water, and now my bag is heavy, and now I'm whingy because my knees hurt. I feel like I'm slowly falling apart. I don't know. Good morning. It is day 92 on the PCT, and we're about 2 days away from Sead Valley, whatever it is. So we're planning on trying to do as many miles as we can today so we can
get in there before the store closes tomorrow. We'll see how it goes. I think we've hit the flip-floppy southbounder bubble, because still don't see too many people going northbound, although the amount of people has increased since the Sierra. But far out, Brussels sprout. There are a lot of people going south. Constantly just having to, move out of the way, because it seems they're always going uphill and I'm going downhill whenever we meet. So I've got to do the right thing. So I've been pondering today, why did humans evolve with eyebrows? I'm not sure. My theory is that they're tiny little sweat towels, because that's what they do for me. When I'm pushing real hard up a mountain and my whole face is sweating, they keep all the sweat out of my eyeballs. And I can imagine back in the day, only the humans with eyebrows survived being chased in the hot sun by predators or whatever, because humans without eyebrows, they got sweat in their eyes and then they were blinded and then they died. Guys, I'm freaking out. There's a freaking butterfly on my shoulder. I don't like them. We've got some lovely pines, super lush green stuff everywhere. And then ahead of us, looks like the freaking desert again. What the hell?